I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us apply the laws of exponents, in this case power of powers, and evaluate each expression. Question here is, write each a single power, then evaluate the power. So the first one is 2 squared times 2 cubed whole square. So when we apply the laws, whenever we are multiplying with the same base, exponents get added up. So we get 2 to the power of 2 plus 3, which is 5. And everything is squared here. Now we'll apply the power of power. In that case, it gets multiplied. So it becomes 2 to the power of 2 times 5, which is 10. And the second part of this question is evaluate. 2 to the power of 10, so you can multiply 2 2's tens of them, and you'll get the answer as 1024, which is kind of kilobytes. So that is how I remember this number. Kilo means thousand, so it's close to kilo, and in computers we always use this number 1024 as kilobyte. So 1 kilobyte is 1024, which is 2 to the power of 10. Okay, now let's look into part B, which is 0.1 squared to the power of 2. So here power of powers, 2 get multiplied by 2, so we get 0.1 to the power of 4. Now when I multiply 0.1 by itself 4 times, what do I get? That's a big question. So let's try to see it first. So it's 0.1 times 0.1 times 0.1 times 0.1. So there are 4 decimal places, and 1 times 1 times 1 is 4, right? So 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, correct? So we get 1, but the decimal should be, there should be after 4 places. So where should the decimal be? So it should be from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the answer. Do you see that? So we get 0.3 zeros and 1. That is what we get. Think like this. 0.1 is 1 over 10 to the power of 4, correct? So it is basically 1 over 10 to the power of 4, right? So that is what you get. So that's an alternate way of thinking about it. Well, as far as this question is concerned, as a single power, that is the answer, and this is when we evaluate, right? Let's do the next one, which is minus 2 cubed to the power of 3. So minus 2 cubed, that means minus 2 cubed is, then we have cube here. So let's say minus 1 cubed times 2 to the power of 3 times 3 is 9. So that is what we get, right? Now negative 1 to the power of 3 gives you a negative number. So you could write this as negative 2 to the power of 9. So that is as a single power. Now to evaluate, we know 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. So what should be 2 to the power of 9? Half of this, right? So negative half of this is 512. So that is the answer for part C. I hope it gives you insight to exponents of 2 and a better understanding of laws of exponent. Thank you and all the best.